Hey guys, so this is gonna be a short one today. We are just doing, I got my House of Suppliez mystery pack for June. We're gonna check it out. There's not a ton in here, so it should be pretty quick. Excuse my English. I will include the link to the mystery box in the description box, and I think this one's $12.99. Shipping's included, so it's just a flat $12.99. It's just nail art stuff every month. I think they also have an eyelash box, a gem mystery pack where you get different gems every month, nail gemstones. But I get the nail art box because, you know, they also have a subscription for acrylic and monomer where you get a set amount every month, so that's pretty cool. Like I said, this one's kind of light this month, so we're gonna check it out. Okay, so we got design stickers. Now, these aren't nail wraps. These are meant to go over polish, not meant, these aren't like the Color Street things. These are just, what am I thinking of? Like decals almost, but they're meant to cover the whole nail. So we got those, which are really cute. Brush clear polish, yeah. And this one is Dior, pink. I love pink. I like the pink. All right, we have stars. Like, I've always seen the silver ones. I've never seen them in different colors, and I'm really digging the pink. Hey, these are perfect for my pride nails. I'm doing pride nails on myself today. So these are perfect because I actually had my stars out to use on them. Ooh, there's black too. There's black. I like that. Oh, they're open. Oh, they were open. A lot of them were open. Perfect rainbow ones. Yes. That's exciting. Ooh, what else? Teddy bears. Oh. Hang on, I'm gonna open this up. It's hard to see in the box. They're teddy bears. Oh, I love it. Look. Teddy bears. And they're all different colors. We have purple, we have brownish, pink, blue, light pink, and clear. I love it. These are expensive. I think a thing of these on Amazon was like $7 by themselves. So I'm okay with that. Last thing, this is the last one. Yay, now I can quit robbing Cersei for animal skin. Because I think I'm joking, hang on. This is all the shed from my bearded dragon. Wait, no, there's more. That one's extra spiky. I like that one. But I save it to use on sets, which is weird, I know, but don't judge me. This is really cool. So these are like snakeskin, and it's got all different colors. Yeah, I like that. So not a lot in there this month, but the stuff that is in here is a little more expensive than the stuff that's usually in the box. Like I said, I know these are like $10 on Amazon. These are like $7, but you gotta buy whole sets to get them, so I like this. I like being able to get this stuff independently without having to buy the 15 other things that go with it. These are cool. I don't know, I'm gonna try them out. They're pretty cool. Paper, place, blah, blah, blah. So you do use them like the nail wraps or whatever. You got a top coat over them, but they're pink. I'm excited. I'm gonna have fun with this. So I will include the link in the description box. And as always, thanks for watching. Sorry it's so short today, guys.